Welcome everyone. Today I am going to show you the process of creating a professional and customizable pop-up using Elementor Page Builder. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a pop-up like this one absolutely free. So let's get started. We will create this pop-up by following the 4 simple steps. First step, plugin installation. We need to install 2 plugins called Popup Maker and Anywhere Elementor. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins, click add new plugin. In the search bar, search for Popup Maker. Once you found the plugin, click install now. Activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, we need to install another plugin called Anywhere Elementor. So let's install that also. Search for Anywhere Elementor. Once you found the plugin, click install now. Activate the plugin. Now we successfully installed and activate our required plugins. So let's go to the second step. Our second step is creating pop-up template. We will use Anywhere Elementor creating our pop-up template. This plugin allows us insert Elementor template anywhere using shortcut. So let's create our pop-up template. Navigate to Anywhere templates, creating new template, click add new. Insert your template title. Make it publish. Let's edit the template with Elementor. Now it's time to design our pop-up template using Elementor Page Builder. I already created my pop-up template which I will insert from Elementor. You can create your own design using Elementor Page Builder. If you guys like my design, comment below. I will send you the downloadable link. As you can see guys, I already imported my pop-up template from Elementor and it's totally customizable using Elementor Page Builder. Once you are happy with your design, make it publish. Now our pop-up template creation is done. Let's go to the third step where we will set up pop-up. In this step, we will use our recently created Anywhere Elementor template. So let's exit to dashboard. Once you are here, you can see the shortcut. We will copy it. Now creating new pop-up, navigate to Popup Maker. Create new pop-up. Insert your pop-up name. Insert the shortcode you copied. Once you copied the shortcode, make it publish. Now our pop-up is ready, but we will set up our trigger. So let's scroll down. Click add new trigger. For this tutorial, we will use button click trigger. That's why we will choose click open. We will uncheck this one. Click add new. Now here we need to add a CSS selector. This CSS selector will connect the pop-up with our trigger. Click add and our trigger is ready. Now let's set up how we want to display the pop-up. We want to display our pop-up in the middle of the screen. That's why let's go to the display tab. We will select the middle and our pop-up is updated. Next, go to the appearance. From here, we will change the theme. Now, we will change the theme to content only. It will allow us to use Elementor template as a pop-up. Now, our pop-up is ready. So, let's make the update. Now, our pop-up is ready. Let's set up our trigger button. We want to show the pop-up when user will click the get 10% offer button. For this, we need to add the CSS selector to this button. I hope you guys know how to edit the Elementor button. For changing the class, select the button, go to advanced, paste the class. If you remember, this is the CSS selector we used in the pop-up. Now make the publish. Now our trigger setup is done. Let's see how the pop-up looks like in the website front end. So let's go to the website front end, refresh the website to see the changes. Let's scroll down. And boom guys, we got the pop-up and it's really looks nice. As you can see guys, this pop-up looks really nice and professional, and it's fully customizable using Elementor Page Builder, and it's also responsive for all the device like mobile, tablet and other device also. So guys, thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Also, if you're interested in working with me and if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. And thank you again. See you in the next video.